Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to set up your PayPal account in Jamaica. First, navigate to the official PayPal website and locate the Sign Up button. You will then choose your account type, either personal or business, depending on your needs. Next, enter your valid email address, your full name, and create a secure password. Remember to use a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for optimal security. Now, let's connect your payment method. You will need to link a valid Jamaican credit or debit card, like a Visa or MasterCard, to your PayPal account. Carefully enter your card number, its expiration date, and the 3-digit security code found on the back. PayPal will then initiate 2 small deposits or a temporary charge to your card, which is a crucial step for verification. To fully activate your account, you must complete the verification process. First, confirm your email address by clicking the link PayPal sends to your inbox. Then, review your bank statement for the 2 small deposits or the temporary charge made by PayPal. Log back into your PayPal account and accurately enter these specific amounts to complete your account verification. This step is essential for full functionality. With your PayPal account set up, you can now send and receive money. To receive funds, simply provide your PayPal email address to the sender. You can also use your linked card to make secure online purchases worldwide. Remember that transaction fees and currency conversion charges may apply, especially for international transfers. Always review the fees before completing any transaction to understand the total cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.